Hey, what's up, guys, man? Just a quick video on how to do some repairs on your old spokes. Any spokes, actually. If they're leaking or not, this is a way to do it. You know, I've been doing this shit for many years. That's all you need right here. A little propane tank, a blade, a little bit of heat on that old silicone. And that shit comes right off, man. Not too much heat, but just need a little bit. Shit goes right off now. That's simple. You want to clean it all up, and you hit it with a little. Some guys will use a grinder, but I just use a little cleaning pad. Give me a second. A lot of guys use a grinding wheel or a wire wheel. I like using the Scotch pads. They do the job just as well. We'll make sure you get it all nice and clean. Safety glasses, same must. There it goes. Nice and clean. Ready for the next step. Alright, next step. Your silicone. Make sure you get it all in there. Get all the air out, man. That's very important. Get all the air out. Make sure you get it in there. Spread it out with a body filler spreader. That's what I use. At least some people use cardboard, but I prefer the spreader. You go over it a few times. Make sure you get all that air out, man. It's very important to get the air out. Afterwards, you know, that's just the way it should look. Don't gotta be all pretty and shit. As long as fucking it's all the air's out. I use 100% silicone right here. You can get this shit at Home Depot. So yeah, that's it, man.